ArrayLink is a mobile companion app that works in conjunction with our 3D acoustic simulation software, Venue Synthesis, to assist technicians deploying JBL audio systems. ArrayLink is available as a free download for Android and iOS devices from their respective app stores. When you open the app, you'll land on the main projects page. Think of the projects page as the top-level folder, where you'll find any imported projects along with any folders you've created to organize them. Select the plus icon to import new projects or create a folder. Projects can be imported into ArrayLink by scanning a generated QR code or by opening a Venue Synthesis project file directly. To generate QR codes from a Venue Synthesis design, navigate to the Mechanics tab and click the QR codes button at the top of the Array information panel. The application displays a QR code for each system group currently visible in the venue. In ArrayLink, tap the Scan QR Codes button and point the camera at the codes displayed on the screen. Because the app uses the entire camera view to detect QR codes, it can scan multiple codes simultaneously. Once the counter matches the quantity of codes in the venue, select the Done button. ArrayLink creates a new project from the import and places all of the scanned system groups inside of it. Each system group is displayed with an icon to identify the group type, and a color bar matching the one in the Venue Synthesis project. The number box indicates the quantity of arrays that make up the system group. Swipe left from the grab handles to rename or delete any system group from the project. Click and drag to reorder the list. The Info tab at the bottom reveals the information stored in the project that was written into the project details section of the Venue Synthesis file. The QR code section displays a QR code for each system group in the project. Tap any system group to expand it, then swipe left or right to browse the other codes. These QR codes can be scanned by another device running ArrayLink to quickly transfer the project data when no service is available. Alternatively, tap the Share button to package the entire project into a single .al file that can be shared digitally or saved to your device or cloud storage. That file can then be imported by selecting Open Project File from the Add menu. This process is the same whether you're opening a shared .al file or a Venue Synthesis project. Back on the Groups page, tap any of the system groups to view the group's position data, spacing, and length values. These values correspond directly to the controls in the Layout tab of Venue Synthesis. Below, select any array in the system group to show the detailed mechanical properties for that specific array. The Info page includes positional data, length, site angles, and weight. For suspended arrays, the Frame tab displays configuration information for the selected array frame. Touching the Angles tab displays a list of cabinets in the array and their pin positions. Check off the box on the right side of the list as each cabinet is pinned to keep track of where you are. The color bar on the left represents the circuit group and is color matched to the one in the Venue Synthesis Cabinets tab. The back arrow in the top left will take you up one layer in the folder structure. Inside a ground subwoofer system group, tap any array to view the placement coordinates for that position. Swipe left or right to move between the arrays in the group. Back on the Projects page, tap the Sort button to configure the sorting order for the projects and folders. Folders can be created by clicking the plus icon on the home page. Projects and other folders can be moved into or out of a folder by swiping on the island and selecting Move. Swiping also provides options to delete or rename an item. Alternatively, long press an item to enter multi-select mode. Choose the items you want to move or delete, then tap the corresponding button to complete the action. Select the menu icon from the home screen to access useful application tools like the tone generator, and an inclinometer that can be used to check array site angles. Select the Settings icon to adjust the application measurement units and change the app's color scheme. From all of us here at JBL, thank you for watching and have a safe load-in.